Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Yes, the camera lens is wet. It's not your screen. That's because we've been riding in rain for how long now? Quite a while. Miles. And we are wet. Me and Randy, he's back there behind me on his 300L. We are soaked to the bone. And we still got a long way to go, so we don't know what we're going to get into. Part of the adventure. Oh, Randy's going to want to stop coming out with me.
What fun would that be?
Yeah, there's always a couch.
There you go.
I'd rather be out here any day. You wouldn't have been here, I'd have been out here by myself, so.
Now that you talked me into this new seat, I got a new couch to hang out on.
Yeah, that seat concepts, it makes a big difference. Montana Peak right over there.
We've done gone further today than we did the other day when we were out for our long ride.
Whoa, you gotta watch this stuff, it's kind of slick. You get a little muddy spot and tire wants to slide.
I've experienced that. While you're sliding that.
You can see where I've slipped around.
Well,
you wouldn't think it'd be muddy with all these rocks, but it does get that way.
well, that's it.
It's kind of slick. It's like there's rocks, but it's greasy under the rocks. It's kind of muddy.
Yeah, it's just weird.
Yeah, it is weird. You'd think it'd be just hard, no problem with trashing, but it's not.
I think with all the sand around here, that this water just not cause it to get slimy anyway.
Yeah. But it's not like deep mud. It's not like nothing deep.
It's just like grease snot on top of a glass window or something.
Yeah, exactly. Mountain Road. Take me home. $4,500 feet elevation. We are 97 miles from home.
Yep, definitely gonna be a little over my 600 mark for a break-in period, but you know.
Oh yeah.
Who changes it right at 600?
It's not that crucial, but there's some people don't change it. What are you talking about? Seriously, there is people that don't ever do it.
Don't realize you're supposed to. Just
yeah, I guess. Don't do it.
Ride it like you stole it.
Ride it like you stole it, yep. I was hoping the sun would come out and we'd dry out, but I'm not so sure it's going to happen.
Yeah, I'm with you.
We are way off out in the mountains here.
Ooh, there's a nice lightning bolt over there.
Yeah, I've seen some pretty good lightning strikes. As long as they're over there, not right here.
Good news is now everything's pretty
Yeah,
fire.
yeah, exactly. That's what happens. It'd be raining, you know, here, and the lightning strike and go over there where it's dry, and it can catch a fire because it ain't raining all around here, I guarantee you. There are spots where it's still dry. Yeah, I ain't got no spots on me that are dry, that's for sure. Everything's wet. You could wring me out.
Yep.
We're gonna split right through there in that dry spot, Randy.
There you go.
Where we're going.
Got my vote.
That's where it is right now, but now you know that's moving. That's the problem.
Exactly.
Those clouds are moving.
Every time you think you're headed towards where it's not raining, the rain moves.
Yeah, that's right. I don't know what temperature it is, but it feels pretty chilly.
Well, I'm sure the temperature is way warmer than I feel right now. How's that?
Yeah, it's just that we're a little wet. That's the problem.
The evaporative cooling thing is working overtime right now.
Yeah. The only thing is you're not evaporating nothing right now.
Yeah, because I keep adding to it.
Yeah. So we chose to go this way back, and I don't know if it was a smart decision or not. You just don't know. I mean, is this the best way or going back the other way? Problem with the other way was the worst part is we got to ride some interstate, and it's, you know, that's a real busy interstate, and you're doing 75 miles an hour, and all these semis and cars, pouring down rain. I think there's a lot less risk this way. The Goldwing, I go fast enough on that Goldwing, a lot of that rain don't hit me.
Yep,
That big windshield and fairing on it.
Get behind them and let her rip. But yeah, and you're heavy enough to stay glued to the road, these little things.
These bikes here blow around pretty good, and that wind back that way was terrible.
Oh, man.
That blew me over.
When we come down off there from talking to that young lady with the Border Patrol, holy smokes, I thought I was going over.
No doubt. You gotta look at it in front of us up there.
Oh, yeah.
So much for going through there.
Yep. So
Well, that's where we'll be going. We're just gotta go through the rain to get there.
Yeah, unfortunately.
We're going around this canyon here. Monsoon has struck. We're going the wrong way, Randy.
Yeah.
Headed southeast. Uh-oh, four-wheeler. I do, that hurt. No helmet. Right in your rain, riding hail right in your face. No, thank you. Watch out.
Here comes another.
Stay left, best you can. Out of that loose gravel.
Yeah.
They've been out here doing donuts. Whoa, stay left.
If you roost me with that thing, I'll shoot you.
No kidding. Sycamore Canyon looks wet. That's what I think. I got your boat. Look at that, doing donuts. That's the one thing I never did when I rode four-wheelers, is just go around doing donuts and just tearing up them high-dollar tires I just bought.
Yep.
Too expensive. Well, all I can say is you're the one that chose Monday.
Tomorrow.
Exactly.
So,
Tomorrow's worse.
today was just the first day it was starting to cool up.
Right.
Well, okay. I can deal with 91 if I have to, but right now it feels like I'm dealing with 31.
I like the heat. I like the heat better than the rain.
Yeah. Well, if it's really hot, I like the rain for a little while.
Yeah. Rain and settle the dust and go on.
Yep, this has been too much rain.
Bump.
Boom, big rock.
Only rock in the road and I had to hit it.
Yeah, I followed you right over it.
Yeah, don't follow me, I get you in trouble. It looks like them guys just unloaded the four-wheelers just to go do donuts in the road.
What to do?
I guess so. Might be one of their favorite spots to go do donuts. Metal bridge. So we are at the wet Sycamore Canyon, which looks like a good place for flooding.
Very wet Sycamore Canyon. 9 miles to Pina Blanca Lake.
We're getting there. I'm not even trying to miss the mud holes now. It ain't like it matters. I mean,
Yeah, really?
as wet as I am, it ain't gonna matter.
Yep. I'm gonna have to shed these clothes once I get in the garage.
Yeah, no doubt. They've been plumb down here doing donuts.
Well, they had a trailer up there on that hill, didn't they? Or
Yeah.
something to
Yeah.
haul them things with. Oh, maybe the truck and trailer dropped them off way back out yonder here. And they
I
just,
don't know. Maybe met them up there. Yeah, you can stop coming down anytime, rain. We're over it.
video now.
Yeah, I got it over with. Now it's time to move on. I want to see what it's like to ride in the dry heat.
Oh, the rest of the way home.
Yeah. Sunshine.
Sun shining.
It'd feel good now. If it's 90, it'd be 100 feel good right now. Dry off.
Well, it'd feel good for about 5 miles.
Yeah, till you got dried off.
Then we'd be dry and sweaty again. But once again, sweat is evaporative cooling.
That's right.
I am surprised that I haven't seen more water coming across this road in places, you know. I mean,
Yeah.
I should be knocking on wood when I'm saying that
Yeah.
right now.
It's just not raining enough up in the mountains. I'd hit that in the middle, probably. I don't know. There ain't no good spot.
Yeah. Good old 300L suspension will soak it up. I'm getting cold and stiff.
Watch that rut. Be kind of slick.
Yeah, and I got caught in a bad spot in third gear trying to chug up through there. Trying to dodge all that fun stuff. I survived that time.
Kind of slick up here. Oh, mercy. We are wet. What does that say there? Bear Valley, something.
Bear Valley Ranch.
Okay, guys, we're gonna get off here and end this video. Thank for y'all coming and watching us be wet while you're staying dry on your couch. God bless you all. Catch you all in the next adventure. Right on. Hey guys, just want to let you know if you want to save some money and you want a super quality product, this is the Nelson Rigg gear line of hurricane luggage. Hurricane means it's the outdoor, off-road, 100% waterproof luggage from Nelson Rigg. It is super good quality. Lifetime order, you just can't beat it. And if you want to save 25% right now, go to nelsonrigg.com, put in the code Woodzman, WOODZMAN, and you save 25% off your order. Any orders over $50, you get free shipping. Right on.